Kuma tariki 8 kiumia giki riria Kenya manyitire itemi githurano-ini kinene, Kamiti ya ithurano na miaka IEBC ikoretwo mihango-ini ya gutigirira ni makinyanirie wendi wa Kenya wa gutigirira ni matabania githurano kiri na waraganu. No na kuri ogwo kamiti ino rungu rwa muikirigiti wayo Wafula Chebukati murugamiri munene Ezla Chiloba no icemanitie na morito makiria kuma kuri ngwataniro ya mung'ethaniro wa mbere makiuga ati githurano kiu kirari githoge undu uria matanahota kuonania uma waguo. Githurano kio president kiraguciria honeri anana no na kuri ogwo ucindani munene urari gatagati ga president Uhuru Kenyatta wa Jubilee na mutongoria wa NASA Raila Odinga uria ari rita riake ria kana kuonania giturwa giki ate kuyiukia uhotani. Na thutha wa Kenya kunyita itemi githurano-ini kinene kiumia-ini giki, maumirira ma githurano kuma kaunti ciothe o undu umwe na nja wa bururi makoretwo magikinyira Kenya kuhitukira mutambo wa IEBC poto. Hari uigiririki athorimi ya githurano kuma nja wa bururi nimarekiririe mukodi ati githurano kiratabanio na njira ya uma.
The AU Election Observer Mission is very pleased to say that the elections were peaceful. And on election day, August 8th, the population went into the polling stations in large numbers, and the people were permitted to vote in a manner which met the standards set in Kenya law, which was also consistent with the policies of the African Union.
Na riria thiku ya kwanirirwo kwa maumirira mao president irakinyire muthenya waira Wafula Chebukati arakinyire wendi wa Kenya kuriranire mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta muhotani na gicunji kia 54 hari igana arumirwo ni mutongoria wa ngwataniro ya mung'ethaniro Raila Odinga uria uregwatire gicunji kia 44 hari igana.
Now, having fulfilled the requirement by law and having garnered 8,203,290 votes, representing 54.27% of the votes and 25% in 35 counties, I wish to declare Honorable Uhuru Kenyatta as President-elect and Honorable William Ruto as the Deputy President-elect.
Thank you. Asante. Chairman. Asante sana.
Girifotira Kameme TV ni jitagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.